Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to generate a Google Authenticator codes. As you can see right here, I have codes for KuCoin and Discord. Okay, 6-digit codes, and you can see there's a timer here as well that updates every 30 seconds. I'm going to show you how to generate these. And first of all, I want to apologize for taking a video like this, and that is because Google Authenticator blocks out screen recordings due to security issues, or you see the black screen. But we're going to make the best out of this. Now, to get these codes that get generated, as you can see, was refreshed after 30 seconds, all you need to do is go to whatever app you want to generate the code for and you need to enable two-factor authentication. So I'll come on this phone right here. Let's open TikTok. So I'll open TikTok right here, and then I'll click on my profile icon, which is here at the bottom right. And then I'll click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. Okay, and then I'll click on Settings and Privacy. From here, you can click on Security and Permissions, and then you see this two-step verification. We can go ahead and turn this on. Let's do Email and Authenticator app. So we'll turn this on, okay, and here you go. I can see a QR code that I can use. So what I'll do, I'll come here, and all you need to do is click on the plus icon at the bottom right. So I'll click on that, click on Scan a QR code, and let's scan that code. As you can see, now we have TikTok here as well. So once we get this code, the 6-digit code, as you can see right here, it's asking me to put in this code and my TikTok account, and then I can basically authenticate it and set it up. And it's really that easy and simple.